Hi guys, this is Chenyang Wei speaking for the WRI1100 presentation. My painting is on the last page of the PDF file on the canvas, so you guys can have a look at it. On the lab of March 4th, which the task is to test the pigment we made. I only test the chrome yellow and verdigris with a binder of linseed oil and a tempera binder to see whether they can be combined well. It turns out that the chrome yellow could combine well with the linseed oil and the egg tempera binder, and it's better for chrome yellow to combine with the egg tempera binder. But for verdigris, it couldn't. We can still see there are some powder-like pigment stick on the canvas. I also use chrome yellow with the linseed oil to get across all the colors that put on canvas to see what kind of green it will turn into when the chrome yellow mixed with the verdigris. It turns out that when these two pigments mix it is a kind of grass-like green color on it. On the last lab, I decided to paint an emoji as there were too much chrome yellow pigment in the vial, and the night before the lab there was an emoji file in my WeChat group, and I found dozens of emoji like this, so I decided to paint one. I used the chrome yellow as the base of this emoji, and the orange pigment of its mouth was made up of the red dye and the chrome yellow with the binder of the egg tempera. The black part was made up of the blue dye and the red dye, which were organic based pigments. And the white pigment on the eyes was mainly calcium carbonate. You can see there is a part of purple at the left of the canvas. That was because I used a round brush which has the black pigment on it, and it mixed with the blue pigment on the background part. I choose these colors to try to restore the emoji and use blue as background color. On one hand, this can be a complement of the orange color on the mouth part of the emoji. On the other hand, it can form a warm and cold tone to make a contrast, and also it can improve the effect, I think. On the chemical analysis technique, I will use XRF X-ray forensics and ICP-MS, inductively coupled plasma mass spectrometry. If the XRF scan my painting with the X-ray or other laser resources, it should be turns out that the wavelength should be at 0.143 to 0.335 nanometers, as there was a high concentration of the calcium and zinc from the white pigment on the eyes part and the chrome yellow on the base part. However, the organic pigment, like the frame of the eye and the background, the mouth part, these pigments cannot be detected by the XRF because there are the organic pigments. For the ICP-MS, it needs to take a tiny amount of samples, and it should be generated by the plasma frame and UV laser. And then it can be detected by the detector on the machine. It can find out that there are some isotope of calcium 40 and carbon 12, also zinc 65, that contain about 70 micrometer above the canvas from the white, yellow, and some other organic pigments, and also they can be stably existed. Okay, this is all of my presentation. Thanks for watching. Wish you guys have a nice spring break. Goodbye.